How to take long screenshots in Excel. So if you want to take a long screenshot in Excel, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Excel application. After opening your Excel, you need to go with your workbook. Now, for example, in my case, I'll just simply go and select some cells that I would like to take a screenshot of. I'll just simply go and select 30 of these. Now you need to go with the top drop down, which says copy, and then you need to go with copy as picture. Now click on OK, and it has been copied. Right. Once you've copied, you need to go with the next sheet and then paste it right here. Press Ctrl V and it will be pasted. Now, once it has been pasted, as you can see that this has been pasted, I need to right click on this and then you will have an option of save as picture. Click on save as picture and then go with your file name, type, and then go with save. That's how you can take a long screenshot in Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.